Hello friends, welcome to Mentu Gang and the manager to do a full review of Galaxy J7 2015 and this is 2017, so it will be interesting to know is a Galaxy J7 still worth buying in 2017. So let's start with inbox items. J7 comes with a USB cable, a simple and cheap earphone and a 5V 1.5 ampere adapter which is not fast charging adapter. So let's move on to design. On red you will get power or lock key on metal like edges. If we talk about slimness, it's only 7.5 mm. You will get mic, USB-C type port for charging and 3.5 mm ear jack at bottom. You will get volume keys on left and there is nothing to give you on top. You will get task manager key, physical home button and back key on the lower part of J7 front. And you will get 5 megapixel front camera, proximity sensor, calling speaker, LED flash with Samsung logo on the upper part of J7 front. You will get camera, LED flash and media speaker on back, and here you are getting a plastic back cover. So it's a 5.5-inch big device, but you can operate this with a single hand without any problem. So let's move on to specifications. J7 comes with 1.5 GHz octa-core processor and Mali T720 GPU. The processor is Exynos 7580. Also you will get 5.5-inch HD Super AMOLED display, 16GB internal memory and 1.5 GB of RAM. 6.0.1 Marshmallow operating system and 3000 mAh battery. You will get accelerometer, proximity sensor and orientation sensor in J7. So let's move on to UI. J7 comes with old Samsung TouchWiz UI, but here you are getting Android security patch level of January 2017. This is Galaxy J7's menu UI, which is looking very old because you have already seen this in many devices. It is a notification panel and here you will get all necessary shortcuts to use. If we move on to settings, then this is your settings UI. So this is also looking very old, but we can't do anything. If we talk about preloaded application, here you will get Facebook, WeChat and many other games to use. So let's see how much storage you will get out of 16GB. You will get 10.4 GB of storage free out of 16GB, and here 500 MB is free of RAM without using any third-party application out of 1.5 GB. In Galaxy J7 you can download thousands of free theme from theme store, so it's a good features in Galaxy J7. Let's move on to camera. You will get 13 megapixel rear camera with LED flash and the aperture size for this camera is 1.9. Also you can record full HD video with rear camera. Also you are getting quick launch features. Double tap the home button to quick launch your camera. You will get different type of camera modes with this Galaxy J7. Auto mode, pro mode, panorama, continuous, beauty face, sound and shot, sport mode and wrist-on HDR also there. If we talk about front camera, you will get 5 megapixel front camera with LED flash and aperture size for this camera is 2.2. You will get beauty effect and different type of camera modes also there. You can also record full HD video and gesture control also there. This is how your front flash will work. So let's see some camera samples. Camera quality is very good for me, and you can capture quality photo from both cameras of Galaxy J7. Also here you are getting front LED flash, so you can capture your selfie in night without any problem. So let's move on to display. In J7 you will get 5.5-inch HD Super AMOLED display with 267 ppi. So here you are getting Super AMOLED display, so it's a good display. And if we talk about outdoor mode, so here I am setting my display my device on outdoor mode. So this is my display in outdoor mode, and here you can see the brightness is enough to see anything on display. This display also working very well on different types of viewing angle, and here you can see colors are sharp and very clear. So here you are getting better display with nice brightness and nice colors. Now let's move on to gaming performance. So here you are getting Exynos 7580 processor with Mali T720 GPU and 1.5 GB of RAM. And here I am playing Asphalt 8 on medium graphics. So let's see how will be the performance. The gaming performance for Asphalt 8 on medium graphics was very good and very fantastic, but it's not a real gaming and true gaming review, so I am playing this game again on high graphics. The game is running very fine on high graphics on Galaxy J7. And here you can see the graphics are very cool and perfect, and controls are also working very perfectly, and I can't find any types of lag and any types of bug in this game. So the gaming performance is excellent. So it's time to give my full review for this Galaxy J7 in 2017. So here you are getting a good design, and it's a compact design. You can use Galaxy J7 with a single hand. Also you are getting a 5.5 inch HD Super AMOLED display. This display is not only big but also a good display. Specifications are also very good in this price range, because in India you can purchase Galaxy J7 at the rate 11,900, which is equal to approximate $177. Gaming and camera quality are also very good. So J7 is a good device. Yes, I am missing some new features like S4 planning mode, S secure mode in J7. But in last, I would like to say that J7 is still worth to buying in 2017. So I hope you will like this video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.